Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix overheating problem on iPhone after iOS 26 update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version and now your iPhone keeps overheating, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to general and then go to software update and check if there is any beta update available for you. So guys, you have to simply update new version of software on your device, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open your app store and then go to your profile, and from here scroll it below and tap on update all and update all of your apps on your iPhone as well. So guys, update all of your apps, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to iPhone storage, and from here make sure that your iPhone storage is not full, and if it is full then you have to simply delete some useless data from your device. And after this scroll it below and check if there are any useless app on your iPhone. You have to simply delete all the useless apps from your iPhone as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.